guys remember this collection? Oh my goodness, this is a throwback collection. This is from, I believe it's Field Trip by Chamel. It's definitely Chamel. And today we're going to play with it for 20 days, the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. And we are doing this sketch for day 20. And I thought this is a perfect opportunity to go ahead and do a story-based page. So I'm also doing this in conjunction with the Mini Kit Monday Facebook group challenge. And we are challenged by Janet from RTS Scrapbooking to create a kit and create a layout with it. So we are supposed to use the color green, something with photography, and the letter M, something that starts with the letter M. So I was trying to think outside of the box, and I'm actually going to use this side of the paper as my background paper. I'm going to do marbles. So in this collection, there is a really cute marble piece of paper, and I actually have the 6x8 as well. So I picked the 6x8 to cut this down, and then within that kit, I had pulled in older products as well. So this is a die cut from a very old product. I have no idea, but it is a frame, and that frame is photography, right? In the sketch, we have a 4x6 photo probably inside of a frame. Well, the size that I have is not that, but that's okay. So, and then I noticed that this is matted or something right here. So I figure, okay, I can get another piece of paper. It's the butterflies from this collection or a similar one. I think it's this collection. And it's going to go like that. And then to bring forward the photography theme even further, I created this frame. Now this is a neat little trick. I really like this. So I'm going to kind of show you how I did that. So I've got my scraps here. I'm just going to grab a couple here. There should be some thin paper. So I've got my two pieces. And this is just copy paper, so I don't mind. And what you do is that you miter the corners. So you overlap them, and then you take some long scissors, because it's easier, and you cut from corner to corner. And then because you had them lined up, they will perfectly match. Like that. And then I took a piece of double-sided adhesive and adhered it. So I did that little trick to all of the corners there. And I kept them in order. That is part of the reason why this works so well, is because I kept them in order. So that is my base page, essentially. Looking at this sketch, I think maybe she intended this to be a 12x12 piece right here. Oh wow. It's hard to tell. And then this is just like how she drew it or something. I don't know. Not like this sketch where this whole thing is the 12x12. But anyway, back to this. So I'm going to move the flowers a little bit. I have these flower die cuts, and I've got one right here. And then I've got a big flower die cut, and that one's going to go down here instead. I did not like having all of my florals like clustered right there. I really kind of wanted to move them along the page, and I love this little corner accent that this is creating here. I don't think this is enough though, so I do want to add a little bit more. I've got a kind of a blank spot right here that I want to add to. So I'm going to bring in another color, which is red. So that's going to kind of poke out behind this die cut and land on top of that leaf. So it kind of looks like that. Something along those lines. And then I have a little bit of a blank spot there. So I thought I would bring the red-orange down. And I do like these die cuts because she has one of each essentially going in different directions. And then I've got a pink here, I need to bring a pink down. So that's going to be that die cut. And then I created some labels. Now these labels are awfully big, so I probably wouldn't normally use this, but I want more yellow down here. So I'm gonna put, this is where my story is gonna lie. And then to get this really cool photo frame, I really like this, I'm gonna take some yellow cord and go from here to here. And then I'm gonna use a brad to be my centerpiece. So I kind of bring those blue, green, aqua colors to the top and forefront like that. And that's pretty much my page. I don't think I'm going to title this. I am just going to put the journaling down here, talking about how I used to play with marbles all the time when I was little. So that's the page. Don't forget to take a look at, keep hanging on for the end of the video to see close-ups. Also, don't forget to check out everybody else who's playing along with clicking the playlist down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.